with violence, every pulse hitting, electrify, no holding back.